Hello, me fixing everything, and because there is always something to fix, today we're gonna see how the Milwaukee M12 performs with 4 amp hour battery on bolts that are being torqued to 110 Newton meters. This 2 months ago. The car is being driven in the winter, now it's springtime, time to change the tires. The model number is M12 FIWF12. Battery is brand new, fully charged. I took off 7 bolts with it, and it got a long socket, not an impact one, just a normal 6-side one. I think it's doing absolutely fine. Yep. You can see the bolts look okay, and good tool. Definitely you can do tire changes with it. I don't know what is the maximum torque, but for bolts on the tires is doing absolutely great. I hope the video has been helpful to you, and leave me a comment. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.